Welcome everyone. A and V are the two unit vectors making an angle alpha and beta with the positive x-axis. Then prove that the trigonometric relation sine alpha minus beta equal to sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta. So this is the relation that we have to prove. Okay, for that purpose we consider this is my two-dimensional axis. Okay, one is the x-axis, another one is the y-axis. Okay, in this particular case we are considering two vectors. One is a vector, okay, another one is b vector. Obviously the a vector makes an angle alpha and the b vector makes an angle beta. Okay, why I am taking on the same side of the x-axis? Because in both of the cases if we want to find it out the dot product or the cross product, because we are going to find it out the sine alpha minus beta, then the angle between the a and b will be the alpha minus beta. Okay, alpha is greater, beta is less. Okay, so we have to pre-assume some things here. Okay, so if we want to see, that is, here is a sine means it is basically talking about you have to prove this identity you have to do the cross product. Okay, so the cross product if I do, that is the a cross b. Before that we have to write it down. What is a? What is a? A is ax I cap plus ay j cap, ay j cap. What is ax? Obviously since the a vector makes an angle alpha with the positive x-axis, so the ax is a cos alpha. Ax is a cos alpha I cap, and ay is a sin alpha. Ay is a sin alpha j cap. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if I say what is b vector, let me write it down here. The b vector is similarly, it can be written as the bx I cap plus of by j cap. By j cap. What is bx? Bx is obviously, since the b vector makes an angle beta with the positive x-axis, so we can say this is b cos alpha. Sorry, b cos beta I cap, because the angle is beta here, plus of b sin beta j cap. So this is the a vector and the b vector. Now since we have to prove the something regarding sine, just as we have said before that, so we have to think about the cross product. So what is the cross product? Cross product formula is a cross b equal to mod of a mod of b okay, sine angle between the a vector and b vector. I have said why I have taken on the same side of the x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction. It makes an angle alpha and beta, because you have to find it out. The angle between a and b is alpha minus beta. Okay, angle between a and b, not with the positive x-axis. So we can say sine alpha minus beta. And after that n cap. What is n cap? N cap is in the direction perpendicular to the xy axis. We can denote it like this way, but it is actually the z axis. Okay, since I have drawn these two on the plane of this paper, so we can say z axis is just coming out from that. Okay, so I hope you have understood. That is the n cap, this is the unit vector here. But if I take the magnitude of a cross b, then this will become mod of a becomes a, mod of b becomes b, and this is sine alpha minus of beta. N cap is 1. Okay, n cap is, what is n cap? N cap is 1. So we have to find out what is a cross b. So let us put the determinant here. I cap, j cap, k cap. What is ax? X component of a cos alpha. A cos alpha. X component, y component of a sine alpha. Z component of A, since it is on the xy plane, we can say it is 0. Similarly, x component of B, B cos beta. Y component of B, B sine beta. Okay, Z component of B, for the same reason it is 0, and let it be the mod of A, mod of B, that is the magnitude of A and B, sine alpha minus beta. So if I solve this determinant, shown here, if I try to find it out, the I cap, okay, I cap is the value which is the coefficient of I cap that becomes 0, the x component of the vector which we find it out after getting A cross B. It is completely easy to be understood from the determinant that the I cap and J cap is used. So only one thing exists here, and that is K cap. And since we are taking the magnitude, so we are writing down not the K cap. Okay, so I am writing down here A cos alpha, A cos alpha B sin beta. Okay, A cos alpha B sin beta minus B cos alpha, B cos beta, A sin alpha, A sin alpha. What we have done here? We have basically, when you try to find it of the K cap, we have done the A cos alpha B sin beta cross minus B cos alpha A sin alpha, B cos beta A sin alpha. So I am doing the cross here. Okay, doing the cross here. Clear? So this is the simple thing. So after that, we are not writing K cap because we are taking the magnitude here. I have just clarified to you. After that, mod of A, mod of B, sine alpha minus beta. Okay, so after that, if we take this AB common, we have take this AB common, then this will become cos alpha sine beta, minus, okay, minus cos beta sin alpha. Okay, so this becomes AB sine alpha minus beta. Obviously, what we are going to prove, it comes little bit negative sign here, just like I am after this cutting this A B from this both side, left hand side and right hand side. What we get sine alpha minus beta, equal to cos alpha sine beta minus cos beta sin alpha. Okay, you may say, sir, what is given here and what we have to prove here? There is a negative sign here. So for that purpose, okay, to understand this, for that purpose, I want to introduce one concept, that is I am introducing here now because it become less hectic. Right hand corkscrew rule. Right hand corkscrew rule. Okay, according to right hand corkscrew rule, if you want to find it out the A cross B, okay, then you have to place your hand to A first, then you have to curl your right hand towards B. Then what will happen? The A cross B will gives you the minus K cap. Okay, so for this purpose, if I just omit and if I directly taking this vector part here, okay, then we can say this is n cap becomes minus K cap. What is the reason? I think we understood. Right hand corkscrew rule. What this right hand corkscrew rule says, according to find it out the direction of the corkscrew, this thing is used, this convention is used, and if you place your hand all the fingers towards A and if you curl it around towards B, then the thumb what points inwards, so what will happen? It is along the minus K cap. So a minus sign is incorporated here always. minus sign is incorporated here always. And if you just put the value determinant, only the value of the k cap exists here. Okay, so I think k cap exists there, and here it is minus k cap. Okay, here it is the minus k cap. So k cap, if we omit from the both sides, a minus sign exists there. A minus sign exists here. Now this minus sign plays the role here, and due to this it will become minus cos alpha sin beta plus cos beta sin alpha. Or if I write it down again as a phrase, just like what is given to prove, that is sin alpha minus beta equal to sin alpha cos beta, sin alpha cos beta minus of cos alpha sin beta. It is not that I am doing any kind of mistake and after that I am trying to make up this. I have tried to do it in the scalar way by trying to find it out the magnitude, but at the end I am incorporating the direction of the cross product, which is basically we are trying to find a right hand cross product. If you don't know, see any book where the cross product is discussed, you will get the idea there. So my proof, sin alpha minus beta equal to sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta, this thing is proved. Thank you all of you.